Starting a work-at-home business during an economic crisis can be challenging, but there are certain business ideas that tend to be more resilient during downturns. These recession-proof businesses cater to essential needs or offer cost-saving solutions. Here are some ideas. Online tutoring, education. With schools closing or moving to remote learning during crises, there's an increased demand for online tutoring in subjects like math, science, and languages. Offer courses in recession-proof skills. For example, digital marketing, coding, or data analysis. Freelance writing and content creation. Even in downturns, businesses need content for their websites, blogs, and marketing materials. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a steady source of income. Content creation for platforms like YouTube or TikTok can also be lucrative, especially if you focus on evergreen content or topics people turn to during crises, like DIY, budgeting, or home workouts. Digital marketing services. As more businesses transition online, there's a growing demand for digital marketing services like social media management, SEO, and email marketing. Virtual assistants. Many businesses, especially those moving to remote work, need virtual assistants to manage tasks like email correspondence, calendar scheduling, and customer service. E-commerce and dropshipping. Focus on essential or niche products. Consider items people need during economic downturns or products that cater to at-home activities. Online counseling or coaching. With the stress of a recession, many people seek counseling. Offering virtual sessions can be a way to meet this demand. Life coaching, career counseling, or financial advice can also be in demand. Subscription boxes. Even in a recession, people enjoy treats. Cost-effective subscription boxes that offer essential goods, learning kits, or affordable luxuries can be popular. Affiliate marketing. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and promote products. Focus on cost-saving tools, products that offer high value, or essential goods. Handmade or DIY products. If you have a craft or skill, produce handmade items to sell online. Budgeting and financial consulting. Many individuals and small businesses struggle with finances during a downturn. Offering budgeting advice, debt management, or financial planning can be invaluable. IT and tech support. As more people work from home, there's an increased demand for IT support.